Yes!
Here we go, hold on. Yes! Alright guys, moment of truth. We're gonna utilize the Sony camcorder's optical zoom. I don't know if it will catch it or not, but we're here for the McLaren rally that is happening here all the way in Arizona, that started in Colorado and is ending up in Utah. So yeah, I think here we go. We got a couple McLarens all the way over there. Hello. Yeah. Nice. The 720S. But the real question is, where are the McLaren F1s? Supposedly there are what, 3 or 4 of them on the rally. But yeah, we're sat in the middle of nowhere. This is like some straight up Breaking Bad shit. The moment we've been all waiting for. Check this out, check this out, check this out. That's nice. But that's sick. Holy crap. Look at that. No way. F1. Guys, we are in hot damn luck here, guys. We got the P1 just abandoned here in a dirt lot. We got a prime parking spot and the F1 just parked to the left. So yep, stay tuned guys. We got a lot of cool content. We got Horseshoe Bend with the McLaren P1 all the way from Connecticut, rolling around in the dirt. That's pretty awesome. It's a pretty busy day here at the Horseshoe Bend. A lot of tourists. Now the F1 has sneakily parked somewhere around the corner right here, so let's check it out. All right guys, well, we kind of messed up there. We parked and the F1 is gone. But there's a couple P1s over there, a couple of 720Ss, 570s. So anyways, we're gonna keep on trucking and oh hey, CJ Wilson's P1's right there. Yes, the one with the gold wheels and the flip paint. Holy smokes, now we're rolling, dude. Hey. Let's check it out. Scratch that, we are not leaving. Check it out, the flip paint with the gold wheels, and we got a 720S just rolling around the dirt as well. Unfortunately, we missed out on the F1, but that's all good though. So we'll catch up with them very soon. Oh, the other P1 was parked right there. Let's replace with CJ, so there you guys have it.
There's more over there.
What are they doing here?
Car club.
Oh, okay.
We had Corvettes here yesterday. Yeah, I know. I see a lot of those.
Everybody uses cornflakes, so if they went up to $1 a spoonful, would you buy them? That's what I'm saying.
I know.
It's a nice car though.
Yeah, I like my boss.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but the man, this gentleman that was standing right over there, what did he say? He was like, if you had like a spoonful of cornflakes for like what, $2 a piece or something like that, would you still eat it or buy it? I mean, if they were good, absolutely yes. What you didn't hear was that the man working here said this car is worth $500,000, which actually it isn't. It's triple the worth at 1.5 to 1.7. But what's even more astounding is the comments that you hear.
He said like if a spoonful of cornflakes went up to $1 a pop,
right?
Would you still buy them?
Yeah, absolutely. If I was in the market for fucking cornflakes, I would. But that doesn't make any sense.
Comparison to a P1.
I don't know. And they got the price wrong.
It didn't confuse me though. I was just like, all right, he just doesn't know. But the cornflakes, what are you talking about if cornflakes went up? How does it? This car go up in price and then?
I'm just as confused as you are, buddy. Wow.
I gotta think about it.
What's interesting is look at the license plate frame here. It's somehow bent or it's melted. I can't really tell. And one thing to note, it is not in race mode. So someone needs to tell CJ Wilson to step up his game. One thing to note is these bronze accents that you see right here matches really well with the gloss package and then the silver and then of course the white paint and the blacked out wheels on Pirellis. If this guy's looking for a parking spot, we just got the prime spot opening up. So, oh yeah, he gave us a thumbs up. Okay. Respect. And there it is, CJ Wilson's P1. Got a couple McLarens right behind us. We're gonna let them pass. The real question is, are they man enough to do a flyby? And the answer is a resounding no.
Pretty much no.
Dude, are you kidding? Like, wide open, guys, wide open. Hold on, we're even slowing it down.
Yes.
Here we go, hold on. Yes, there's the LM, the P1 LM. Number 2, where's the second McLaren?
There it is.
tamer, all the way from the UK. Check out that monstrous wing. We're all being held up by some sort of soccer mom up there, so.
The plate says UFO.
No way.
Something
Really, really bumpy here, but there he is, mad dogging it on the straightaway. We're definitely going the speed limit.
Yes. Yes, we are.
Don't worry. Oh, OG subscribers, a couple years ago, we were here in this exact road for the Pagani Rally, the Raduno that happened here 2 years ago. I was with Adam Bornstein, Stradman, and Max, Showstoppin' Max. Can we do it too?
Yes, we can.
Hell yeah. Now guys, please don't try this at home unless you are a professional driver. Here we go, we're just canyon carving in a Range Rover Velar.
Not bad.
Look at the scenery though, it's amazing.
No way.
Is it like a little, what the hell is that? It's like on fire. What the? What? I'm so confused. I thought a car was on fire.
Me too.
720S. Here we go, guys. The P1LM. Oh, my goodness. We're here at the launch stop of this McLaren F1 rally. Unfortunately, only one F1 made it out. There's a total of 3 or 4. The rest are at the hotel. Today is the optional drive. Last day on the rally, but we got CJ Wilson's P1 again. Not in race mode. Hey, step it up, man. And of course, we got the P1LM. I've been calling this the lawn tail for some reason, so I do apologize. I messed up. This is the XP1LM. Check out the rear here. This thing is a freaking beast. Of course, the exhaust. That is so crazy. And the plate, very fitting. UFO, Lazante. Here we go, guys. We got the orange carbon P1 all the way from Newport Beach, rebodied. Originally, it was Volcano Orange, I believe. Hey, I like the plate. Call Saul. Is that like the Better Call Saul? There you go, guys. The P1 is significantly louder than that of the F1. I don't know if this one has the sport exhaust, but yeah. Props to this gentleman for mad dogging it in the F1. Wait, right there, hold on. This is the shot right here, guys. It's the shot. Ooh, beautiful. And of course, we got Alex Snakefold just chilling right over there, snapping away, taking some of the best photos in the automotive space. And there goes the XP1LM rolling out. We're only here for a little bit. We're actually going to head back to Vegas relatively soon, so I do apologize if I tricked you guys into thinking we're here for a couple of days, but here we are. And we got the polarizer. Oh, I don't even have the polarizer. So we go from desert climate all the way to some foresty bits here. And the real question is this P1 going to do a pull for us? Is he gonna gun it, dude? Got a Gulf livery on this Mac right here. Here we go. Yes! All the way, baby. All the way. Guys, the irony is unreal right now. Check out the U-Haul. Bunch of fucking snakes. And we got Alex Snakefold and Henry the Snake. I mean, you can't even make this shit up, guys. This is it's a pack of snakes. We've stumbled across another rally. Wow, cars for kids. And we seem to have lost all the McLarens, so that's probably all the footage that you guys are gonna get at this point. So I think we're just gonna head back to Vegas, so whoops, sorry guys. All right guys, now you're probably wondering what the hell happened to the McLaren F1 rally, guys. Well, we're actually headed back to Vegas. We were in Page, Arizona and Utah for basically around what, 24 hours you say? Yeah. So we're here with Anthony. We're gonna head back to his place. I'm sorry. Whoops. I've been on this spree of just filming interesting plates around California, the West Coast, around the world, and we have kissed on the Vada plates here. Guys, just did a quick gas vlog. We're here back in Vegas. Valar is going on strong. And check this out, guys. This is very, very bizarre. We got 2 men on ATVs, and there's, I swear to God, a dog right there. That is the most American thing ever. You have your dog, your canine, in the back of your ATV with the American flag. Wow. All right, let's roll out of, let's get the hell out of here, guys. Let's go.